Welcome back to Auto Beast. This is a fictional concept review. Today, we transform a versatile family favorite into the ultimate weekend escape vehicle. This is the 2027 Mitsubishi Outlander Camper Edition. This AI-generated concept reimagines the popular SUV as a factory-built, self-contained microcamper. It is designed for spontaneous adventures, blending everyday practicality with genuine off-grid capability. This vehicle does not exist. The powertrain is the proven plug-in hybrid system, now with an expanded battery and more powerful rear electric motor. Total system output is a useful 320 horsepower, with an electric-only range of 60 miles for silent campsite arrivals. An AI EcoRoute Plus system intelligently manages power between the engine and battery based on terrain. It maximizes efficiency and ensures you always have reserve battery power for campsite needs. The chassis is reinforced with the dual-stage monocoque for added roof load capacity. It features an AI smart terrain all-wheel control system. Using wheel speed sensors and a forward camera, it can predict slip and adjust torque in milliseconds. It also includes an automatic self-leveling function when parked on uneven ground. The design is adventure-ready subtlety. It retains the Outlander's sharp, dynamic styling but adds a sleek, low-profile pop-up roof tent. Integrated side awnings deploy from the roof rails at the touch of a button. Tough composite fender flares house all-terrain tires, and additional LED lighting is hidden behind the grille. The interior is the modular Basecamp. The second and third row seats fold completely flat into a seamless sleeping platform. A slide-out kitchen module with an induction cooktop and freshwater tank pulls from the rear cargo area. A removable command tablet controls lighting, climate, and the vehicle's power export for devices. The AI, named Trailblazer, acts as your adventure assistant. It suggests dispersed campsites based on your location and preferences. It monitors battery levels and can even warn you of changing weather conditions along your route. In this fiction, such a practical, factory-converted adventure vehicle would be highly accessible. Production would be a larger run, estimated at 5,000 units per year. The projected cost starts at $52,000. Is this the perfect bridge between a daily driver and a true adventure machine? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you appreciate practical, attainable adventure concepts, please like this video and subscribe to Auto Beast. What everyday SUV should we reimagine as a camper next? Leave your suggestions in the comments. This is Auto Beast.